There was a time when every phone call was answered by a warm, beautiful voice, someone who connected you and made you feel heard. Then businesses hired receptionists. Then we overloaded them. And that's when everything broke. Today, missed calls are missed revenue. How many times have you called a business and heard mailbox is full? Every missed call is someone ready to buy who just moved on to your competitor. How many leads did that business just lose? What if we could go back to that romantic time, but better? Today, AI voice agents answer every call instantly, 24/7. These systems qualify leads and book appointments while your staff focuses on the clients in front of them. It doesn't replace them, it protects them. I help businesses stop losing revenue by implementing AI systems that work around the clock. I'm Migda Perez with Ivora Workforce Intelligence. If you're not sure how many calls you're missing, let's fix it. Comment voice below or click the link for a free demo.